How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Ceptor Running Board Lights. So we offer two models of our Ceptor. We have our Ceptor-X, which will have 4 LED modules along your running board light, or we have our Ceptor, which will have 6 LED modules along your running board light. So my Ceptor-X is up top and my Ceptor is on the bottom. Now, for example here, I brought an amber clear alternating color setup in my Ceptor-X, and I went ahead and hooked up my red power cable to my A switch here on my 6 switch box. And then I went ahead and took my green steady burn override cable to my B switch here, where you'll see my unit will go to steady burn, and the green cable will override my red power cable. And then I went ahead and hooked up my yellow flash pattern cable to my momentary switch here on switch F, so I can use that to switch the pattern on my light bar, and both of these Ceptors will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. So you'll have your on-off functionality with your steady burn override, your flash patterns, and then you'll also have sync and alt sync capability on these running board lights. Now on the bottom here, I brought our Ceptor in a red-blue alternating color setup. So here I'll activate my Ceptor, and I have the power cable ran to my C switch here. Now on this model, I did bring a super takedown model, so the green cable will activate the super takedown functionality of my Ceptor. So if I go ahead and activate my D switch here, you'll see that my unit will go to steady burn clear. Now that's a Ceptor super takedown, and we also offer our Ceptor-X in a super takedown model as well. And then if you deactivate your super takedown, your unit will go back to flashing. So again, the green cable will override the red power cable on these running board lights. And then same thing here, I went ahead and hooked up the yellow flash pattern cable to the momentary switch here on switch F, so I can easily use that to switch flash patterns on my light bar. And again, you will have alt sync and sync capability with these running board lights. So you'll see that we offer our Ceptor and Ceptor-X models in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we offer both of these models in our standard warning or super takedown models. So make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demo, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.